Hey, welcome back to our 2021 summer reading program. It's week 4 and we are going to do something a little different today. We are going to do Crafts with Quynn, Tales and Tales edition.
Yes. So everyone who registered should have received a packet in the mail to go with this week's video. If you need to get the packet and clear off a space to work, just pause the video and get organized so you can follow along with Quynn and make your craft projects.
In your packet there are 3 baggies and some papers. We want to start with the largest baggie labeled Alligator, so take that one out and put the rest aside for now. In your packet you will have 1 green craft stick, 1 piece of paper with zigzag edges, 3 pipe cleaners, 4 wiggly eyes. We're only going to use 2 of these eyes, but we gave you extras in case you drop one. You have 1 glue stick, and we will use this glue stick for our other projects as well. And when we make our alligator's nostrils, you'll need a black marker or a crayon. So step 1, find the middle of your craft stick. Hold the first pipe cleaner at one end and wrap it around the stick. Don't overlap the pipe cleaner. Each part should lay next to each other. Wrap until you do not have any pipe cleaner left. This is the alligator's stomach. If an alligator eats bones, the bones will dissolve in the alligator's stomach. Step 2. Fold the second pipe cleaner in half and starting where you left off on the underside of the stick, wrap 1/2 around from the right and then 1 from the left. Alternate the first one side of the pipe cleaner, then the other. Work your way toward the end of the stick, wrapping just 3 times. You will have 2 ends of the pipe cleaner sticking out. Bend them down to make legs. Fold the ends to make feet. Step 3. Use the last pipe cleaner and repeat step 2 on the other end of the stick near the first pipe cleaner. Fold the pipe cleaner in half, starting where you left off on the underside of the stick. Wrap 1/2 around from the right and then 1 from the left, alternating first one side of the pipe cleaner, then the other. Work your way toward one end of the stick, wrapping 3 times. You will have 2 ends of the pipe cleaner sticking out. Bend them down to make legs, folding to make feet. On land, an alligator can run up to 35 miles an hour, but they get tired very quickly.
I don't want to have a race with an alligator.
Me neither. Now decide which end is going to be your alligator's head. Step 4. Apply glue on one side of the zigzag paper. This is your alligator's teeth. The smooth edge of the paper will go closest to the pipe cleaners that you have wrapped. The teeth edges should stick out around the sides and end of the stick. Glue the teeth to the underside of the stick, but don't get bit. Use a marker or crayon to draw 2 small ovals for the nostrils at the end of the head. Glue 2 googly eyes on the head side by side. A real alligator's eyes glow in the dark. You're done. If you want to read some alligator stories, just let me know and I can send you The Lady with the Alligator Purse, The Mystery of Alligator Swamp, or Who Lives in an Alligator Hole. We have several books about alligators. Next, we're going to use the baggie labeled Jungle Carpet Python. It has yellow pieces. Put the rest aside.
What's in the bag? 19 top links, 20 side links.
Your top and side links will both be yellow, but for our demonstration, we're using orange for the sides.
1 head, 1 tail, 2 eyes, 1 tongue. And what you also need, get the glue stick from the Alligator project. To make the body, create a paper chain by alternating 1 top link with each side link. Step 1. Glue one end of the first side link. Bring ends together, overlapping to make a ring. Make sure the design is visible and edges align. Step 2. Glue one end of a top link and thread through center of the first string and join the ends like you did in step 1. Make sure the design is visible. Step 3. Continue connecting top and side links. The finished chain must start and end with a side link. Python is the name for a group of snakes, some of which rank among the world's largest. Pythons live in southeastern Asia, India, the Pacific Islands, Africa, and Australia. Did you know pythons can grow from 2 feet up to 30 feet? The brightly colored green tree python measures up to 7 feet long. It lives in New Guinea, northeastern Australia, and nearby islands. Pythons usually eat lizards and small mammals, but larger pythons may sometimes kill big animals, including wild pigs, that weigh about 100 pounds. Pythons are called constrictors because they squeeze their prey to death. They wind themselves around the prey and tighten their coils. To kill the animal, they squeeze just hard enough to stop its breathing and blood circulation. Pythons swallow their prey whole. A large python may take many days to digest a big animal. The carpet snake is a widespread python of Australia and New Guinea. Some carpet snakes grow to a length of 11.5 feet, but most grow to only 8.25 feet. They live in both dense coastal rainforests and in inland deserts. Like other pythons, they are egg-laying snakes. The females help incubate the eggs by coiling their bodies around them until the eggs hatch. The snakes are various shades of brown with a variable pattern of lighter brown bands and blotches with black edges. Carpet snakes eat small mammals. Some people keep carpet snakes as pets. Where do you think pythons live? Pythons can live in rugged tropical forests with heavy rainfall. Others inhabit regions with low, dense vegetation. Almost all pythons swim and climb well. Like most snakes, pythons hatch from eggs. The number of eggs in a python nest varies greatly. Some may have about 100 eggs. A female python coils around her eggs until they hatch. Many large pythons incubate their eggs or keep them warm with heat from their bodies. Incubation, which is unusual in snakes, helps the eggs hatch more quickly. Many people fear reptiles, but most species are harmless and avoid human beings if possible. Both of today's crafts are reptiles.
Reptiles are animals that have dry, scaly skin and breathe with lungs. Reptiles include alligators, amphibians, crocodiles, lizards, snakes, and turtles. Reptiles are cold-blooded. That is, their body temperature stays about the same as the temperature of their surroundings. To stay alive, these animals must avoid extremely high or low temperatures. Most reptiles that are active during the day keep moving from sunny places to shady spots. Many species of reptiles that live in hot climates are active mainly at night. Reptiles in regions that have harsh winters hibernate during the winter. The various species of reptiles vary greatly in size, from a 30-foot python and leatherback turtles that weigh up to 2,000 pounds, to some lizards that measure no more than 2 inches long. Many reptiles live a long time, and some turtles have lived in captivity for more than 100 years. A few books about snakes you might want to check out. Huggy the Python Hugs Too Hard. Harvey's Horrible Snake Disaster. Album of Reptiles. A Gathering of Garter Snakes. The Snake Scientist. And We Can't All Be Rattlesnakes. And also, Bushmaster Raymond Ditmars and the Hunt for the World's Largest Viper. Joan Proctor, Dragon Doctor, the woman who loved reptiles.
The finished chain must start and end with a side link. Step 4. Glue the eyes and the tongue on the head. Step 5. Fold tab on the headpiece. Put glue on the tab and thread through the first side link. Stick to the underside of the head, creating a link. Step 6. Fold tab under on the tail. Thread the tail link through the last side link. Glue the tab to the underside of the tail. Your jungle carpet python is finished.
The other items in your envelope include written instructions for the projects, a baggie with parts for making a green tree python. Use the same instructions you used for the jungle carpet python.
We sent a template that you can use to print more snake kits, or just cut out the pieces and decorate to create your own.
That was kind of goofy.
Yeah.
So, we hope you enjoyed your projects. Come back next week for week 5 of Tales and Tales Summer Reading Program. Talk to you next week.
Yeah, we'll
Happy
see you guys
reading.
next reading. Keep reading.